Hello to all the investors and learners out there. With the title, you would have guessed that the video is gonna be very interesting today. When we hear about stock or shares or script, the first thing which pops up in our brain is the stock market or BSE. What if I tell you that you can predict the share price in real time? No, it's not a joke, but a reality. The field of data science and the algorithm made it possible. There is no doubt that stock market technology is quickly evolving. In stock market, trading tactics, artificial intelligence, and data science are becoming increasingly significant. These modern stock market tools are frequently built on complicated algorithms that monitor stock trading patterns, track stock prices, and undertake predictive stock performance studies. For good reason, data science is a popular topic in the stock market. Data scientists like stock traders search for traders in massive data sets to forecast what will happen next. Financial data is a sizable portion of all electronic data. As a result, there are several uses of machine learning and data science technologies in banking. In Indian stock markets, for example, a major portion of trading choices are made by computer programs, often known as algorithmic trading. Many of these trading computer systems are quite sophisticated and make data-driven judgments. Here are some of the data science specialists' involvement with the financial markets. Algorithmic trading. Algorithms not only make buy or sell decisions, but they also propose products. There are computer programs at the back end that are based on mathematical models. These systems sift through massive amounts of data to accurately anticipate potential profits. Financial computations. One of the most significant components of the data science is producing a product from the data that can be used in another applications. Pricing a sophisticated financial product necessitates a number of statistical computations and simulations based on the data. These calculations are data resources that are ready for usage in other applications. Data resource management. Frequently, neither main nor secondary data is used directly for any significant application. Data may be missing, distorted, or raw at times. Normalization, missing data handling, raw data cleansing, and so are all the parts of data resource management. A data science specialist with these skills is always valuable to a major financial business. Massive dataset is increasingly being utilized to find patterns and trends, as well as to forecast the result of scientific events. Data, whether structured or unstructured, may often overwhelm an organization. However, it is not the quantity of data that is important. What is important is how firms use the data. The future of data science in the stock market is great, and it has a lot of promise. Advanced technologies improve everything and aid in profit maximization. In order to learn more about data science, subscribe to the LearnWay channel.